Starting a YouTube channel with a focus on health and fitness, combined with your passion for travel and expertise in historical places, can create a unique niche. Here are some content ideas to blend these interests. Content ideas. 1. Travel workouts. Create workout routines that can be done in hotel rooms, parks, or small spaces while traveling. Highlight how to stay fit while on the go, including tips for using hotel gyms, outdoor spaces, and portable fitness equipment. 2. Healthy eating while traveling. Share tips on finding healthy food options at airports, restaurants, and hotels. Review restaurants and their healthy menu options in different cities. Show how to prepare quick and healthy meals or snacks when staying at hotels or resorts. 3. Fitness and wellness retreats. Visit and review wellness resorts and fitness retreats around the world. Provide insights into the programs offered, the quality of the accommodations, and the overall experience. 4. Historical fitness tours. Combine historical tours with fitness activities, such as walking or running tours of historical sites. Share interesting historical facts while exploring these places and incorporating physical activity. 5. Car rental and road trip fitness. Offer tips on staying active during long road trips. Suggest exercises that can be done during stops, like stretches or quick workouts. Review car rental companies based on their amenities that support an active lifestyle, e.g., bike racks, spacious interiors for exercise gear. 6. Hotel and resort fitness facilities. Review the fitness facilities at different hotels and resorts. Create content on the best hotels and resorts for fitness enthusiasts. Interview fitness trainers or wellness experts from these hotels. 7. Flight fitness tips. Share tips for staying healthy and active during long flights, such as exercises to do in your seat or at the airport. Discuss how to manage jet lag and maintain a fitness routine while traveling across time zones. Channel strategy. 1. Content schedule. Post consistently with a mix of workout videos, travel vlogs, and healthy eating tips. Consider a weekly schedule, such as Workout Wednesdays and Travel Tip Fridays. 2. Engagement. Encourage viewers to share their travel fitness tips and healthy eating hacks. Respond to comments and engage with your audience to build a community. 3. Collaborations. Partner with other YouTubers, fitness experts, and travel bloggers. Feature guest appearances from local fitness trainers or chefs from the places you visit. 4. Visual and audio quality. Invest in good quality cameras and microphones to ensure your videos are visually appealing and easy to listen to. Use scenic locations and vibrant settings to make your content engaging. 5. SEO and titles. Use SEO-friendly titles and descriptions to increase visibility. Include keywords related to health, fitness, travel, and specific locations. Potential video titles. 10-minute hotel room workout, stay fit while traveling. Healthy eating at airports, top tips and tricks. Exploring New York City with a fitness twist, historical walking tour. Best fitness retreats in Costa Rica, a comprehensive review. Road trip fitness hacks, stay active on the go. Top 5 hotel gyms in New York City, fitness enthusiast's guide. How to stay healthy on a long flight, exercises and tips. Combining your knowledge and passion into this channel will help you create engaging and informative content that resonates with a wide audience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the NI655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.